Hey everyone, welcome back to Gaming for Beginners. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to add friends on 8-ball pool. So let's begin. First of all, open your 8-ball pool application. Now here on the bottom, you can see this icon of friends. Tap on this. So you can even add your friends from your Facebook or suggested friends. Here on the top, you can see this section called suggested friends. Tap on this suggested friends. Now in order to add them, just tap on add friend. You can swipe right and you can see even the profile picture and add accordingly. So here just tap on add friend and now they'll be added. You can add how much you want. The next way is by adding through Facebook. Here on the bottom you can see this option called invite friends and Facebook. Tap on this and now you can directly send the invitation and they will be added. So yes, this is how you add friends, and later you can play together or you can even do verses together while playing. So yes, thank you for watching this video. I hope this video helps you.